How you doing, everybody? This is Will from Will's Treasures. No, I didn't disappear. I've just been busy doing some other things, life things. Haven't shot a video in a little bit, but I'm back. I have some things to show you today, some very cool copper pours that I just made, and we're gonna get right to it, okay? And we're gonna weigh these up as we do it, okay? Just so we have an idea. I haven't weighed them yet, so you'll be able to see it when I see it. This is a copper fossil that I poured. Very cool piece. Something a little different, something that you don't see too often. Then we got 3.7 ounces. Let me know what you think of them as we go along. We have this beautiful eagle head. Nice chunky piece. Lots of detail. Look at that. This is 5.7 ounces. Nice chunky piece right there. Moving right along, we have this beautiful tiger. This is all copper with an antique finish. I pour these myself. I sand cast them. Been doing it for a few years now. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I sell all my pieces. So if you're interested in any of these, just hit me up. Down in the description will be my email address. You can send me an email. Let me know. That was 3.9 ounces? Yep, 3.9 ounces. We got this cool piece here. It's got a really unique finish. Look at that. My fingers are too big for this. I'll put it on my pinky. But yeah, really cool finish on this. 3.4 ounces. We have one of my favorite pieces to make. This beautiful copper turtle. Look at the details on this piece. It just came out beautiful. Very cool little piece. And we have a weight of 2.2 ounces. Now we have some pretty cool points here. This I call them pointy paperweights. 1.7 ounces. A little copper knife. Look at that. Very cool piece. She's got a little weight to it, almost 3 ounces. Got this one here. It's a pointy paperweight. Look at that. Holds down paper just fine. Another one. This one's a little longer. Still very beautiful. Oh, we didn't get a weight of this last one, did we? 3.8 ounces. This one, 2.3 ounces. We got one more small one. 1.8. These are cool paperweights. Very cool. Easy to carry around. And we got 2 of those. What else we got here? We got this very cool arrowhead. I didn't give you weight on these. 5.8 ounces. 5.7. Almost identical. Yeah, very cool arrowhead here. Tons of detail. Just an awesome, awesome piece. This will go great in anybody's collection. Nice chunky piece too. 5.4 ounces. So yeah, those are the copper pieces, my new copper pieces that I've been working on. Let me know which one you like the best. If you're interested in any of them, hit me up. The email will be in the description below. And yeah, let me know. So thanks for watching, guys. Short video, but I am back. And I will catch you guys on the next video.